everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we went to the mall and we bought some stuff for school. Homewares, food, and some toy supplies. But today I will be showing this one thing. What it is. Sorry, I'm just focusing it. What it is, it's some slime, but it's not ordinary, not any ordinary slime. It's a glow in the dark slime. Can you read that there? And I'm going to show you it. It's clear. It's clear. I think this is used with white glue, like clear glue. I'm getting it out. But before I play with it, I've got to wash my hands, because here on the back of it, and there's lots of writing, it says, wash your hands before and after use. And it says small parts not for children under 3 years. And I got this at Walmart. So I'm going to bring you with me. Remember we got it at Walmart. I'm going to bring you with me while I go wash my hands. I'll leave this slime. It's really dark at the moment. So it's about 6 o'clock. So here at the top. Let me just wash that hand, like clean it, dry it, soak it. Make sure you watch my music, please. There should be a link in the description, and you can watch my music, please. Okay. So I'm just taking anything. You can't see my belongings. Okay, so I'm gonna pop you back up. Here. You can poke it. You can do anything. I love it. It stretches like crazy. Because I'm doing this in a box, you probably can't see it stretching. It's glow in the dark, so that's going to be interesting. Maybe if I turn off this light. Do you see it glowing? I'm going to close it up so you can see it glowing. It actually is glowing. You guys can't see it. Sorry about that. I also will be showing you in some of my videos how to make slime, how to do slime stuff, and in the description down below there should be a video how to make edible slime on my channel. It doesn't stick to cardboard. When you peel it off, it doesn't stick. I'm going to stick it on really well. Pull it off. It's not sticking. Can you see sticking any marks there? It just leaves a wet mark, but that is not slime. This bad boy like glows like crazy, but in the camera, unfortunately, it will not show. I don't know why. There, I need something to go behind that. That's perfect. There. I'm just gonna bring you guys with me to get something. we're going in a dark place. You can see my card. What's that piece of cardboard?
There we go. I got an email from a potential customer asking me where to buy the tickets. That's good, showing interest, but it also shows the advertising isn't clear enough. So I'm glad I know that, and that gives us plenty of time to fix that. That's not a big problem. That's a good stuff in the email.
Was there a sunshine tape for you?
Didn't really do that.
So did you get back to them?
Yeah, they gave me their email address, and I sent very professional, but very courteous email. Now, you know how I go from this phase, you're jealous of my meal and stuff, and I'm generally having something shit.
Yeah. What have you got now? Scotch to it.
Better than a Scotch fella.
Oh,
The eye fella. I've had an eye feel it.
yeah, you're living like a king.
I'm going to start cooking.
With garlic and butter and herbs or oil, that'd be nice.
Yeah, I'm starting to eat healthy. I'm to cook food.
Yeah.
I actually bought different meats to cook and all that. I'm eating very healthy.
Nice.
No stains, sticky marks there, as you guys can see. Nothing sticky. I can't feel anything. So, if I take this off, would that be better? No. Put that on, don't I? Let me flatten it like a pancake. And I'll show you guys something. Dad, should I add glitter to it? No. See, you can't see it. It's so clear. I can't even see it. At first I didn't even know it was actually on that clear material I'm using here. I don't know. It's like, cause it's like kind of foggy. The clouds. It shows you like a different color, but it's actually really clear. So watch this melt. Ready? You can't see it. I'm not touching it. I'm telling you the truth. Did you see that? It was like melting and I wasn't touching it. I was not touching it. Let me show you again so you can see it. I'm putting it up. Is that rolling like so quickly? Oh my god, I can't believe he does that. Okay, I am doing a giveaway. It's a very cool giveaway, but I can blow a bubble. Really hot. Okay, so I am doing a giveaway. I am giving away. Dad, can you throw that case to me? Dad, can you throw that case to me on that thing? There should be like a little Ziploc case. I'm doing giveaway. There's a case there, black case. There's a zip. Okay, so I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway that's easy. On any of my channels, on any one of my videos, I am giving away a fidget spinner. Not this one. I actually don't know where the fidget spinner is. But the giveaway ends August the 23rd. So if you would like to win a fidget spinner, this is not it. This is just a sample. What you have to do is comment down in any one of my videos on any one of my channels. Please, can I have a fidget spinner? I will reply to you, and I'll see who wins it on August the 23rd. So it's been a while. It's been about like 2 months, I guess. Okay. So, bye everyone. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to give me to subscribe to never miss a video. Make sure you turn on the bell's notification squad, and then you'll never automatically never miss one of my videos. Bye.